Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2018 Hagane Blue Q50 Sport all-wheel drive that we have for sale. This was recently retired out of our loaner car fleet. The way that works is that we pick out specific new cars out of our inventory and we put them in loaner car service. They're in loaner car service for about a year, and then we retire them and we make them available for sale as certified pre-owned vehicles. The way the loaner car system works is that if you're a new Infiniti customer or a certified pre-owned Infiniti customer, one of the many benefits you get is a complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicle for extended service days. So this was loaned out to our Infiniti service customers, and now it's for sale as a certified pre-owned. It's been in our care since it was new. We did all the services to it. Now it's ready for a new home, and we have Infiniti's pre-owned certification. You get a lot of benefits. One of the biggest ones is that they give you a certified warranty that's 6 years, 75,000 miles. Actually, this one has a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty because it's a little over 15,000 miles. So it actually is a little bit better. It has a 6-year unlimited mileage warranty that covers about 150 components, and that's good at any Infiniti dealership in the United States. So you have that certified warranty. And then you also have roadside assistance and trip interruptions for the duration of that certified warranty. Your first year of basic maintenance is complimentary. And those are some of the biggest benefits you get with Infiniti pre-owned certification. And you can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti store like us. We have the original build sheet on this one. Kind of go over the big ticket features. $53,075 original MSRP. It has the Essential package. That was a $2,500 option, giving you navigation, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 60/40 fold down rear seat, and remote engine start. ProAssist package was a $1,650 option, giving you blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, backup collision intervention, around view monitor, front and rear parking sensors, predictive forward collision warning, and forward emergency braking. The Performance package was a $1,500 option, giving you a digital dynamic suspension. Usually before, that suspension was only exclusive to the Red Sport 400, but Infiniti in 2018 they made it optional on the Sport. You also get Sport brakes with silver painted calipers and steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. Then we have the Sensory package, $2,650 option, giving you a Bose Performance Series 16 speaker sound system, power tilt telescoping steering wheel, dual occupant memory for driver's seat, steering wheel column and outside mirrors, an advanced climate control system that cleans and filters the air, enhanced interior ambient lighting, and auto dimming outside mirrors. Illuminated kick plates, $465 option. And those are some of the big ticket features that we have on this beautiful Q50. 2018 is a great year for the Q50 because it got an interior and exterior restyling, a little bit more of a nicer look on the dashboard. You got this nice contrast stitching, synthetic leather, different design on the shifter, different design on the steering wheel. It's basically the same steering wheel we saw before in the Q60. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. We have a dual display system. The Infiniti Q50 is actually one of the first vehicles of its kind to have a system like this. The top screen is for navigation, parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. 15,993 miles. Also, the Sport package, you get a little bit extra bolstering in the seats to hold you in place during performance driving. For 2018, we have a different alloy wheel design for the Sport package. Really beautiful color. This is one of my favorites. It's called Hagane Blue. It means steel. Hagane means steel in Japanese, so it's a steel blue. Cargo mat in the back. Styled rear tail lights. You have this nice underbody diffuser that matches the body color for nice contrast. That was new for 2018. Intelligent all-wheel drive is great for the wet, slippery weather. We are in the Pacific Northwest, giving you 100% rear-wheel drive power when all-wheel drive is not needed. The reason why they do that is it's a performance vehicle, so it gives it the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car by having that 100% rear-wheel drive bias. It also saves on gas and premature tire wear. versus if the all-wheel drive system's constantly working all the time. This Q50 has a brain that's always monitoring driving conditions, so as soon as those rear wheels slip, in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly, it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. Bi-xenon lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. Also have a restyled front end for 2018. They have this really nice two-tone feature where this part of the front fascia is like a gray color, and obviously the rest of it is matches the body in the Hagane blue. So it's kind of a nice contrast, gives it a little bit more of an aggressive, sporty look. Absolutely beautiful automobile. The heart of the Q50 is this VR30 twin turbo engine, makes 300 horsepower, features direct injection. The latest in gasoline engine technology, direct injection works by sending highly pressurized gas directly into the combustion chamber. Generally that gives you lower emissions, better fuel economy, and more horsepower. This is a fantastic engine, and I know this sport model might be a little bit overshadowed by the Red Sport 400 that makes 400 horsepower, but I can tell you this is still a really fast with 300 horsepower, and with that digital dynamic suspension, you get a lot of the features that you'd get in the Red Sport for a lot less money. So if you're not an all-out speed demon, I recommend trying a sport one out with 300 horsepower, and you might find it's just more than adequate for you. And you'll save some money over a little bit more expensive Red Sport. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store soon, and have a wonderful day.